Hello, my name is Ashiq
I'm Yifu.
and we have worked on the welding defect detection project. So this is our experimental setup. We have one camera to take pictures and this is an enclosure, and here we have the lights. So this enclosure is to make sure that there are no external light interference, and we have these samples that we will be working on. We have a good welding as a reference, then we have this thing that is the crack defect in the welding, and then we have another defect called the porosity. So here we have the Raspberry Pi board, then we have a screen. We have, this is the external power for the screen to make it portable, and this is an external circuit. These switches are used to control the screen, as you can see, and this switch is to select. Okay, so now Yifu will be demonstrating this project.
Okay, so for this project, we used the SVM, which is support vector machine algorithm, for defect detecting, which means we need a pre-trained model. To train this model, we just select this and press the button. It's gonna take a few seconds, and then you will start train the model. Okay, so now the model is trained, we can take a picture and predict. As you can see, we can use the camera to take live images, and just put the camera on the weldment, press the button. It will take the picture and show the prediction, also with some parameters like the thickness of the weldment and the thickness of the crack. So this is for the tracking. Now this one is porosity. As you can see, there are some air holes on the weldment. Still put it there, push a button. It will show you how many, like, the air holes there are, and also the maximum air hole area. And finally, the good sample. So now the prediction result is good. This is a demonstration for the final project. Thank you.
Thank you.